Welcome back to the Real English Podcast. I'm so happy you were listening today.
It's great to be here.
You know, I was thinking about something funny that happened to me last weekend.
Oh, yeah?
I had a party at my place, and everything was going great. You know, music, friends.
The usual.
Right. But then, disaster. We ran out of pizza.
Oh, no. That's the worst party foul.
I know. So I called my friend who was on his way, and I was like totally panicked. And I said, hey, can you please take some pizza here to my house?
Wait, you said take some pizza here?
Yeah. And he just got really quiet on the phone. And then he was like, you want me to come to your house and steal your pizza?
That is hilarious.
Yeah.
I can see why he was confused, though.
I know, right? It sounds like I was asking him to rob me.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
When you say take, it feels like something is moving away.
So he thought he was supposed to remove the pizza from my house.
Exactly. You must have meant you wanted him to bring the pizza to you.
Yes. That's the word. Bring it, not take it. It's funny how one little word can create a picture of a friend stealing pizza.
It really is. It's all about direction, you know?
Yeah, I was trying to figure out an easy way to remember it without, like, grammar rules.
Right. It's more of a feeling. It's about where you are.
Someone told me to think of it like this. Bring is like a magnet.
Oh, I like that. A magnet.
Yeah, like you're standing there, and you're the magnet pulling things closer to you. To here.
Okay, yeah, so please bring me that book. You're pulling it toward yourself.
Exactly. And then take is like you're throwing a ball.
Ah, okay, so you're sending it away from you.
Yeah, whoosh, it's going over there. Away from me.
That makes it so much clearer. So bring is toward here.
And take is away from here.
That's a great way to feel the difference.
It helps. But I still feel like I mess it up in, everyday situations, like rushing in the morning.
Oh, for sure. The morning rush is a perfect example. Let's try a quick role play.
Okay.
So imagine I'm at the office and you're at home running late. I call you.
Got it.
Hey, that big meeting is soon. Did you bring your laptop today?
Ooh, okay. So you say bring because you want it to come to you at the office.
Exactly. I'm the magnet at work.
Okay. But my answer is, oh no, I took it to the repair shop this morning.
Perfect. Because the repair shop is somewhere else. It's there. You moved it away from you.
And after that, I'm running late, so I can't drive. I would say, I took the train to work.
Yes. We almost always take transportation.
Why is that? The train comes to me first, doesn't it?
It does, but its purpose is to move you away from where you are. It's taking you somewhere else.
I see. It's taking me there.
Right.
Okay, let's go back to my party. I want a do-over. I need to get this right.
Let's fix history.
So next time, I'll call my friend and say, please bring some snacks to the party.
Perfect. The magnet is pulling the snacks in.
And I'll add, and please bring your friend with you.
Very good. You're inviting them into your space.
Okay, now it's the end of the night. I'm tired. I want people to leave.
We've all been there.
And there's trash everywhere. So I can say, when you leave, please take your trash home.
Yes, you're sending the trash away, throwing the ball.
Got it. So, take for trash, bring for friends. A good rule for life.
A very good rule.
But there's the third word that always gets me. It doesn't seem to be about here or there.
Let me guess. Is it carry?
Yes. Carry, it just feels different.
It is different. Carry isn't really about direction. It's more about the effort, the weight of something.
The effort.
Yeah. Like, remember you went hiking and your backpack was super heavy?
Oh my gosh, yes. It was awful. I was just focused on how heavy it was, not where I was going.
Exactly. You had to carry it all day. The main feeling is holding it, supporting its weight.
So it's about the physical feeling of holding something.
Right. Think of a waiter in a restaurant.
Hmm.
He's holding a big tray of plates.
Okay.
He's carrying the plates. He's focused on balancing them.
Right, and I'm not dropping them. But I, as the customer, would say, oh, good, he's bringing our food.
Yes. That's a perfect example. For you, the food is coming here. But for him, the main action is the physical work of holding it.
Wow. So it can be both at the same time, just from a different person's view.
Exactly. Or think about a mother holding her baby. She's just walking around the room with the baby in her arms. She's carrying the baby.
That makes sense. She's supporting the baby's weight.
I actually have a quick story about this. It has all three words.
Okay, I'm ready. Test me.
A few years back, it was my grandmother's birthday. I baked her this huge cake at my house.
Nice.
So my first step was to get the cake from my house to her house. What am I doing?
Okay, you're moving it away from here to there. You had to take the cake to your grandma's.
Correct. I had to take this cake to Grandma.
Yeah.
But the cake was really heavy. and I didn't have a good box for it.
Uh-oh.
So I had to walk to my car holding this giant, heavy cake very carefully. I wasn't thinking about direction. I was just thinking, don't drop it, don't drop it.
So you were focusing on the weight and the effort. You had to carry it.
I had to carry it so carefully. Then I got to her house, I knocked on the door, and she opened it. From her perspective, what was happening?
Okay, so now she is here. The cake is moving toward her.
Mm-hmm.
So she would say, oh, thank you for bringing this here.
Exactly. I took it there, I carried it carefully, and I brought it to her. All in one trip.
That's amazing. And I can just imagine how hard it is to carry a cake without dropping it.
It was very stressful, but worth it.
Okay, I think I've really got it now. The feeling is much clearer.
Let's do a super quick review. Just be sure.
Good idea. So, if I want something to come here, to me,
You're the magnet. You ask someone to bring it.
if I'm sending something over there, away from me.
You're throwing the ball. You take it.
And if I'm just holding something and it's heavy or it's just in my arms,
You're focused on the grip, the effort. You are carrying it.
perfect. I think I'm cured.
Excellent. You know, that last one, Carrie, makes me think of something.
What's that?
We also use it for things we have with us all the time. In a bag or a pocket.
Oh, like your keys or your phone.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I have a question for you and for everyone listening.
I'm ready.
What is something you always carry in your bag or pocket?
Something I always carry. That's a good question.
I can go first. I always carry a little notebook and a pen. I'm old-fashioned.
A notebook. I like that. For me, you know what? I always carry a guitar pick.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you play guitar every day?
Not at all. Maybe once a week. But
Yeah.
I like having it. I just carry it around with me.
That's cool. It's like a little piece of you that you keep with you.
Yeah, exactly. So what about you listening? What's the one thing you always carry?
It's interesting to think about. You're not really taking it anywhere specific. You're just carrying it.
Yeah. And hopefully you won't need to ask anyone to take you a pizza anytime soon.
Or if you do, you'll use the right word.
Definitely. Well, this was really helpful.
Glad I could help.
Thanks for listening. If you'd like more episodes like this, All Potish You can subscribe to the channel. See you next time.